ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoBongani Zungu. I think uBongani Zungu was one of the biggest talent esike salibona or saliproduce sabana le South Africa. But inkinga kila uZungu could have been world class, yabo. uBongani Zungu last team yakhe yase Europe bokuyi Rangers angithi. Ngiyakhumbula kuthiwa bekafuneka eMadrid almost wasayina but icontract kwaba nenkinga before nje closing window iba khona noma kwaba nenkinga zama test. Ama-team amaningi bawabonisa interest ukuthi amfuni. Bekunama rumors amanye. I think bokwa Watford ku-English Premier League or wakupho Championship. But the way behavior yakhe na the way asiphathe ngakhona ku-Rangers bamsuspenda ngendaba yokuthi wathatha ama-under 19 players ne bahamba baya ku-night club waphuza utshwala kuba busy ngezinye izinto ezi-outside football. So traditionally bona bathanda ama-player abehavior kahle, bayavumela ukuthi ama-player aphuze but ungaphumi elayinini, yabo. uZungu, I remember this one game iBrazil isha 5-0 bafaka uZungu, yazwa ipolice game wabona ukuthi umfana une-big talent. But-ke izinto za-outside football off the field yizo bezimshaya kakhulu. uZungu could have been world class, yabo. He's one of the biggest talent mina engike ngalibona. Unfortunately, I think ifika ishayela lento le abafana babe nemali eningi abanga-expectanga ukuthi bangaba nawo. Umfana let's say for example ngiyazi ukuthi akuthiwa waseSoweto uZungu. For example ngithi umfana waseSoweto ukhule enganalutho jikijiki eseseyane 20 million ebhenki. Uthenzeni ngempela? Uthenzeni? Akaza trainwa ngokuba nemali, akaza aba around abantu abanemali, imali nje uyithola ebholeni. And ngiyophele into akwazi ukuyidlala ibhola. Lezi zinto zabo money savings nanokuthi ubehave kanjani ke makule position le abakwazi into entsha kubo. Ngicabanga ukuthi as South African football kumele bazame uku-educate ama-players more lawa abuya futhi kuma-disadvantage backgrounds kakhulu like emalokishini ukuthi mabathola i-chance ukuthi bangenza kanjani ukuthi babe sharp.